Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, January the 16th, 2023. We have here an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle in this additional is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve, half of them. Otherwise it's too much for me. It's time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yes. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first I will start is the 3 Stars Sudoku number 5800. Yeah, 5800. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 printed digits. Yes. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have 1 2, 2 3s, 3 4s, 4 5s. Alright. 1 2 3, 3 6s, 3 7s, 4 8s. Alright. And 1 9, 2 9s. So the 5s and the 8s are a majority. Can I start with the 8? Yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between second column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the column next, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright. How about the 5? 5 in this row, last row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So no row between the middle row. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5. Need to wait. Insufficient information. Yes. How about the 6 in this column, last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so in the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 3 3 3, yeah. 1 2 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this column, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this. Wait. 4, 9, 6, 8. 2 of those missing numbers here. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and a 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this column, so no 4 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 9, 3, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. Okay. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Yeah. 4. Okay. In this row, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 4. Here can it be a 4 because we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here can it be a 4 because we have a 4 in the third column, so no 4 there. Here can it be a 4 because we have 4 in this column, so no 4 there. So the 4 in this row could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 4 in this column, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column, second column. One of the missing number in the second column is the number 7. Well, here can it be 7 because we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. Here can it be a 7 because we have a 7 in the row above, so no 7 there. So the 7 in this second column could be here, here or there. Here or there. We see another 7 in the third row, no 7 there. Here 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Okay. 293. Okay. Now 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big. Oh no. Overlook this box. Oh no. Correction. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see how 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Okay. 1 and 2. Okay. Then 6, 7, 7, 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2, 5, 4, 8. Ay, 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 ay. 2, 6 and 1, 2, 6 and 1, 2, 6 and 1, 1, 1. Yeah, I'm thinking. Interesting. Come on. Where's the opening? 3, 3. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing number in the third column is number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 in the third column could be here, could be there, here or there. You see another 6 in this row, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. And I believe we have a pair. The 6 and the 1 in the last row. The 6 and the 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Right. Yeah, 6, 6. Ay. 2, 9. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is the 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And we have a pair. The 1 and the 2 in this row. The 1 and the 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then 1 number left in this row. Third row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 will be here or there. You see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 6. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. The 9 in this column. The 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, not faster than 50 minutes, but is this really a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles: the binary, the tectonic, and the 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.